Most people jump into AI automation by copying workflows they don't understand. That's why nothing works. In this video, I will show you how to build your very first AI workflow automation properly, from thinking like a system designer to deploying something that actually runs without constant babysitting. No advanced jargon, no fake complexity. Step one, what an AI workflow really is. An AI workflow is not a single automation or chatbot or zap. A workflow is a sequence of decisions triggered by real events producing consistent outcomes. Beginner's mistake, they start with tools instead of logic. Next, choose the right first workflow. Your first workflow should be simple, frequent, low risk. Good examples like email sorting, lead categorization, content summarization, or ticket triage. Avoid revenue critical systems, multi-agent logic, or complex branching. This is a rule, right, for you to take. If you can't explain it on paper, don't automate it. Next, mapping the workflow before automation. Before building anything, map, trigger, input, decision logic, action, output. Example, trigger, new email. Input, email content. Decision, is it a lead? Action, categorize plus notify. Output, clean inbox. This step alone eliminates 70% of beginners' failures. Right? Next, where AI fits and where it shouldn't. AI should handle interpretation, classification, summarization, language-based decisions. AI should not handle final authority, financial decisions, or critical failures. Here's an insight. AI is a filter, not a boss. Next, building the workflow incrementally. Okay, never build everything at once. Process, build trigger plus output, add AI decision, add fallback rules, test edge cases. Pro tip, your workflow should fail gracefully, not silently. Next, testing like a professional. Test bad input, missing data, unexpected formats, or repeated triggers. Beginner's mistake, they test only perfect scenarios. Real world data is messy. Next, knowing when your workflow is good enough. Your first system doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be understandable, stable, and easy to fix. Reality is, maintenance skill matters more than build speed. Okay, so this is how you build your first real AI workflow automation without hype, without over engineering. If you want the next video on turning this into a paid client system, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload, and we will catch you in the next time.